Imagine you can make $100, $200, $400, or up to $700. All these amounts of money are free to make. All it takes is your attention, because you are going to do something 100% easy. You have just to Hi everyone, welcome back in another new video. This is Zack7 from Zack7 channel, the channel where I'm sharing with you brand new strategies every single day, showing you how to make money online. All the videos in my channel are related only to how to make money online. I'm helping you to change your life to the way you wanted it to be. So if you are interested to receive daily videos, as I told you, that I'm showing my subscribers how to make such a great amounts of money every single day, hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and simple dollars if you are a beginner. That requires you only to go down right now and subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification as well, in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I make a brand new video, so that way you will be the first one who watched it and to start making the most money before that way you get competitive and lose it. So let's dive straight right now. But before we continue right now showing you the whole process on how to start working and making money using our day strategy, let me show you the whole steps you are going to go through in order to make it happen. The first step is step by step to help you to start your own account, to sign up a brand new account. And then the second, prove that this is totally trusted and highly recommended. I'm going to show you that this is trusted and deserves your time. You are going to lose such a great information and knowledge if you skip the video or if you go out, because you have a chance at the end of this video. If you keep watching until the end, there is a proof, there is another free bonus for you in order to help you to make over $200 per day. Yes, $200 per day if you keep watching right now. That way it doesn't require you to invest your money, or it doesn't matter where are you from, because you can do it no matter where are you from. Even if you are from Africa, India, you can start using it and working on it today. And of course, without forgetting that I'm going to show you all the things you have to do in order to make money using this trick, this website, today's strategy, this way. So before we dive straight and before we jump to the website, if you didn't subscribe yet, you are going to lose a lot of videos showing you how to make money online. Go down right now and subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification as well. Allow me to send you a notification tomorrow that I have a brand new video for you. I wanted to help you. I want to help you to get where you want it to be. I'm going to show you some websites that are 100% working worldwide, where you cannot invest your money. This is the homepage of the website you are going to use. They are telling you earn money in your spare time with their free web and mobile apps. As you see, I'm not revealing the name of the website yet, because I don't want you to go there try to figure it out yourself how it's working, because that is going to waste your time, and I don't want you to make that mistake. I want to save your time. I'm helping you. I'm providing you with the most detailed details you have to know about this website. I'm asking you only to focus more and to give all your attention and to pay close attention to the details I'm going to show you right now, because you will never find it in any other channel. Just keep watching right now and don't try to skip the video and focus more. Let's dive straight right now and let's scroll down in order to show you the proof that this is 100% legit and not a scam, because the tasks in this website are provided by some large companies all over the world, worldwide companies, well-known companies who don't know what is Microsoft, who don't know what is Getty Images, and who don't know what is GoPro, and also who don't know what is Pinterest. This is a well-known companies all over the world, and this is why this website is legit, because they are in a partnership. They are partners with this website. So keep watching until the end, because I'm going to reveal the name of the website in a few seconds, in a few minutes of course. So let's go back. In order to make money using this website right here, you have first step. You have 4 things to accomplish and to do in order to make it happen. Assess language. Tell them the tone, meaning, content or attitude of a conversation, or simply the content of an audio file. These people here are gathering to talk about something. We give you 3 choices: current events, politics, or the weather. Of course, they are not talking about current events, because we don't know what is current events. Every year, every time there is a current event, and of course they are not talking about the weather. Maybe they are talking about politics. So select politics, and this is it. This is politics. In order to make money, just assessing language and the tone and the meaning and the content. This conversation is about politics. And let's jump straight to the second one. Annotate images. Draw bounding boxes around various elements in an image and describe what is where and photo. Of course, they are giving you here a simple photo, but it's combined by limited, simple and small photos. We have here and then you have to name this one. It's water, and we have road, lake, mountain, cloud. Yes, you have to select only the things they are given the name. Cloud, select this one. Mountain, select this one. Lake, select this one itself, and of course the road and the water. Select this one. Simple steps to do. Just select the meaning and the name of what you are annotating. Annotate some images and draw bounding boxes around it. Just draw. It's all it takes is just drawing. Draw about water, draw about road, draw about cloud, and it's done right now. Your work is finished. And let's jump straight to the other one. Isolate elements. Find the edges of an object to help computers see what you see. This child is wearing clothes. Here, just come to the sides of this jacket and select it. Just don't select his hair, his face, as the jacket, and this is the work. This is all you have to do. This is what they call isolate elements. Isolate each cloud itself in order to help the computers, the robots, to see what you see. This is what they mean. And let's also go next, and they are telling you provide keywords. Help companies develop algorithms to learn what a photo is about. This is another simple photo like the first one. Here we see they are asking you in order to describe just what you are seeing in this photo. We have a woman, we have a husky, we have clothes, we have dog, and we have a watch and mountains, and this is all we see in this photo. This is what it calls keywords. Just describe what you see. We have a woman, we have a dog, we have clothes, we have mountain, we have husky, we have watch. This is all the work you have to do in order to help companies to develop their algorithms to target the right people if they are selling some products, or they are trying to just to develop their algorithms and robots and computers to do the right work and to target the right people if they are selling something. Or I hope this makes sense. And of course, there are already some people who have used this website. But first of all, before we jump straight to this step, this is the website we are talking about. It's called Spiro5, spiro5.com. But if you didn't subscribe yet, go down right now and smash the red button subscribe. And turn on the bell notification as well in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I come out with a brand new video like this one you are watching right now. That way, you will be the first one who uses it. So let me repeat it again. This is Spiro5.com. Spiro5 is the website that is going to pay you only to do some simple work, which we have just seen. And it's access languages, annotate images, isolate elements, and provide keywords. And of course, there are already some people who have used this website, and this is what they are saying about this website. Just click here, and you will find this video is talking about the people's opinion about Spiro5.com. But we don't care about this. I give you the details you have to know, and the work is on you right now. You have to do it, and just by one click on log in right now, you are going to be given this homepage where they are giving you some options if you wanted to link your own account as Spiro5 with Facebook, with Google, with LinkedIn, or just to log in using your email address. You can do this just by one click on the Facebook or Google or LinkedIn, and this is all about Spiro5.com, the website that is going to pay you to do simple work. If you are interested to receive brand new videos every single day, don't forget to smash that subscribe button right now, and the most important thing, that turn on the bell notification as well. It's so important. If you are interested, if you still wanted the bonus I was talking about at the beginning of this video, these two videos are going to help you to make money online, to make hundreds of dollars. They are working 100% free, and worldwide you aren't going to invest your money. This is just for free. You can watch them right now. Just go click. Yes, click watch them right now.